Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to boost your health naturally, especially when it comes to your kidneys, you're in the right place. Today, I'm excited to share with you 6 incredible fruits that not only taste amazing, but also work wonders for cleansing and supporting your kidneys. Kidney health is often overlooked, yet these hardworking organs play a vital role in filtering waste and balancing fluids in our bodies. Incorporating natural cleansing methods into your routine can make a world of difference. And what better way to start than with the power of fruits? From preventing kidney stones to supporting detoxification, these fruits are packed with nutrients that can help you maintain optimal kidney health. So, let's dive into the delicious world of fruits that will make kidney cleansing easier than ever. Before we go further into this informative video, please subscribe to our channel to help YouTube recommend our content to other viewers. Importance of kidney health. Before we explore these amazing fruits, let's understand why kidney health is so essential. Your kidneys aren't just filters, they're like your body's own purification system. They remove waste products and excess fluids from your blood, regulate blood pressure, and even help in the production of red blood cells. Simply put, they're crucial for keeping your body in balance. Brief overview of the kidney's role. Each day, your kidneys filter around 120 to 150 quarts of blood to produce about 1 to 2 quarts of urine, which carries waste out of the body. They also help maintain the right balance of electrolytes, such as sodium, potassium, and phosphate, which are vital for nerve and muscle function. Why maintaining kidney health is crucial. Maintaining kidney health isn't just about preventing kidney disease. It's about safeguarding your overall well-being. Healthy kidneys contribute to better blood pressure control, reduce the risk of heart disease, and ensure your body's chemical balance stays just right. So, taking steps to support your kidneys, like incorporating these fruits into your diet, is a proactive way to invest in your long-term health. 1. Watermelon. Benefits of watermelon for kidney health. Let's start with watermelon, a summertime favorite that's not only refreshing, but also incredibly beneficial for your kidneys. Watermelon is packed with water content, which helps to keep you hydrated, essential for optimal kidney function. Moreover, it contains potassium, a mineral that helps regulate fluid balance and maintain healthy blood pressure levels, reducing the strain on your kidneys. Nutrients and compounds supporting kidney function. Beyond hydration and potassium, watermelon also boasts lycopene, a powerful antioxidant known for its anti-inflammatory properties. This can help protect your kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation, promoting overall kidney health. How to incorporate watermelon into your diet for cleansing. Adding watermelon to your kidney cleanse regimen is easy and delicious. You can enjoy it freshly sliced, blended into smoothies for a hydrating treat, or even paired with other kidney-friendly fruits like berries for a nutrient-packed snack. Including watermelon regularly can aid in flushing out toxins and supporting your kidneys in their natural cleansing processes. 2. Cranberries. The role of cranberries in promoting kidney health. Next up, we have cranberries, known for their tart flavor and impressive health benefits, especially for our kidneys. Cranberries contain compounds called proanthocyanidins, which help prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract, thus reducing the risk of urinary tract infections, UTIs. This antibacterial effect not only supports urinary health, but also benefits the kidneys by reducing the workload of filtering harmful bacteria. Specific benefits of cranberries for preventing urinary tract infections. Research suggests that regular consumption of cranberries or cranberry juice can significantly lower the incidence of UTIs, which, if left untreated, can lead to kidney infections. By keeping the urinary tract clear of bacteria, cranberries promote overall kidney health and function. Ways to consume cranberries to benefit your kidneys. Incorporating cranberries into your diet is easy. you can enjoy them fresh, dried, or unsweetened cranberry juice. Consider adding dried cranberries to your salads, blending them into smoothies, or simply enjoying a glass of cranberry juice diluted with water. These delicious options not only satisfy your taste buds, but also contribute to your kidneys' well-being. Including cranberries in your kidney cleanse routine can be a tasty and effective way to support urinary and kidney health, making them a valuable addition to your diet. 3. Apples. How apples contribute to kidney cleansing. Now, let's talk about apples, a versatile fruit that not only keeps the doctor away, but also supports kidney cleansing. Apples are rich in soluble fiber, particularly pectin, which helps to eliminate toxins from the digestive system, easing the workload on your kidneys. This fiber also helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for overall kidney health. Nutrients in apples that support kidney function. Apples are also packed with essential nutrients like vitamin C, which is known for its antioxidant properties that help protect the kidneys from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, the potassium content in apples supports healthy blood pressure levels, crucial for maintaining optimal kidney function. Creative ways to include apples in your kidney cleanse diet. There are endless ways to incorporate apples into your kidney cleanse diet. Enjoy them sliced with a tablespoon of almond butter for a satisfying snack. Add diced apples to your morning oatmeal or yogurt, or blend them into a refreshing smoothie with spinach and a squeeze of lemon. These creative options enhance the flavor and maximize the kidney cleansing benefits of apples. By integrating apples into your diet, you can enhance your kidney health while enjoying their natural sweetness and versatility in various culinary preparations. Do not forget to like this video, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. 4. Blueberries. The antioxidant power of blueberries for kidney health. Let's dive into blueberries, often hailed as a superfood for their exceptional antioxidant content. These little berries are packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant color and potent health benefits. Antioxidants help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress, reducing the risk of kidney damage and supporting overall kidney health. Benefits of blueberries in reducing inflammation in the kidneys. Blueberries also possess anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to compounds like quercetin and myricetin. These help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, which is crucial for maintaining their function and preventing complications. Delicious ways to enjoy blueberries as part of your kidney cleanse routine. Incorporating blueberries into your kidney cleanse routine is both delicious and easy. Add them to your morning bowl of oatmeal or yogurt, blend them into a refreshing smoothie with spinach and almond milk, or simply enjoy them as a snack on their own. These versatile berries not only satisfy your sweet cravings, but also contribute to your kidney health journey. By including blueberries in your diet, you can harness their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties to support your kidneys and enhance overall well-being. 5. Lemons. How lemons aid in kidney detoxification. Moving on to lemons, these citrus powerhouses are not just for adding zest to your recipes, they also play a significant role in kidney detoxification. Lemons are rich in citric acid, which can help dissolve kidney stones and prevent their formation by increasing urine citrate levels. This natural detoxifier supports your kidneys in flushing out toxins and maintaining optimal function. Citric acid and its role in preventing kidney stones. Citric acid in lemons also inhibits the growth of calcium oxalate crystals, a common component of kidney stones. By drinking lemon water or incorporating lemon juice into your daily routine, you can reduce the risk of kidney stone formation and support overall urinary tract health. Refreshing ways to incorporate lemons into your daily kidney cleanse regimen. Enjoying lemons in your kidney cleanse regimen is both refreshing and versatile. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water to kickstart your metabolism and support kidney function. You can also squeeze fresh lemon juice over salads, vegetables, or seafood dishes for a burst of flavor and health benefits. Adding lemon slices to your water throughout the day is another simple way to stay hydrated while promoting kidney health. By including lemons in your diet, you can harness their citric acid content to aid in kidney detoxification and reduce the risk of kidney stones, all while enjoying their tangy taste and refreshing benefits. 6. Pineapple. Pineapple's enzymes and their benefits for kidney health. Lastly, let's explore pineapple, a tropical fruit that brings not only sweetness but also powerful enzymes beneficial for kidney health. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Bromelain helps reduce inflammation in the kidneys and throughout the body, supporting overall kidney function. Anti-inflammatory properties of pineapple. Beyond bromelain, pineapple is rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and manganese, which further contribute to reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys. This makes pineapple an excellent addition to a kidney-friendly diet. Tasty recipes featuring pineapple for kidney cleansing. Incorporating pineapple into your kidney cleanse routine is as delightful as it is beneficial. Blend fresh pineapple into a tropical smoothie with coconut water and spinach, or add diced pineapple to your favorite salsa for a refreshing twist. Grilled pineapple skewers with a sprinkle of cinnamon make for a satisfying dessert that supports kidney health with every bite. By including pineapple in your diet, you can leverage its enzymes and antioxidants to reduce inflammation and support kidney health, while enjoying its tropical flavor in various delicious recipes. If you're looking to further support your health journey, click the link in the description below to discover my recommended healthy living products. Thank you so much for joining me today as we explored these 6 incredible fruits for an easy kidney cleanse. By incorporating watermelon, cranberries, apples, blueberries, lemons, and pineapple into your diet, you're not only supporting your kidney health but also enhancing your overall well-being. I hope you found these insights helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and delicious recipes. Feel free to leave any comments or questions below. I love hearing from you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and stay healthy.